د مشورې راکولو مو مننه.
Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice.
ته به هلته کله ځې؟
When will you go there? When will you go there?
ته به کله را رسیږې؟
When will you reach? When will you reach?
ماته خپله پته ووایه.
Tell me your address. Tell me your address.
ډېر زبردسته و.
It was fantastic. It was fantastic.
ډېر زبردسته و.
It was fantastic. It was fantastic.
Thank you.
دلته ګوره.
Look here. Look here.
ما ته وګوره.
Look at me. Look at me.
دا ونیسه.
Hold it. Hold it.
دا واخله.
Take it. Take it.
دا ما ته راکه.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
نور څه؟
Anything else? Anything else?
هیڅ سم نه.
Nothing else. Nothing else.
څه وشو؟
What happened? What happened?
هیڅ هم نه.
Nothing. Nothing.
همدا اوس.
Right now. Right now.
دا څه دي؟
What is this? What is this?
هغه څه دي؟
What is that? What is that?
ضرورت ته په انګلش کې څه وایي؟ ضرورت ته په انګلش کې وایي need. مثال زه یو موټر ته ضرورت لرم. I need a car. I need a car. په باره کې ته په انګلش کې څه وایي؟ په باره کې ته په انګلش کې وایي about. مثال راځئ چې د تعلیم په باره کې خبرې وکړو. Let's talk about education. Let's talk about education.